अमेरिका में मुकीम पाकिस्तानी आम तौर पर सदर ओबामा की हिमायत करते हैं, लेकिन साथ ही उन्हें ये तशवीश भी लाहक रहती है कि सदर ओबामा इस्लाम और मुसलमानों की उस तरह हिमायत नहीं करते जिसकी उन्हें तवक्को है। आइए इस सिलसिले में बात करते हैं अमेरिका में इस्लाम के मुमताज़ स्कॉलर प्रोफेसर जॉन एस्पोजिटो से। So Professor, why do you think President Obama is so reluctant in defending Muslims and Islam?
The president has as it were, an understandable and legitimate concern. That is, if you look at statistics, not only in terms of the attitude of a significant minority, and it's a very significant group in terms of their being anti-Islam and anti-Muslim. If you look at the problems that he encountered when he was a candidate for office, with the number of people who, in order to push him to the side, to take away his legitimacy, would say, oh, he's a Muslim, okay? There's a reason to be concerned. If you look at even with the Park 51 situation, the so-called building of the mosque at Ground Zero, when the president spoke out, and when he does speak out, you see the numbers going up of Americans going from 12% to 28 to 32%, according to some polls, who believe that he was a Muslim, and when they say that, it's meant in a negative way.
Does it mean there's no hope for a change during his tenure?
Oh, I think there is hope for a change. I think there's hope for change in terms of during his tenure with regard to the broader, let's say, Muslim world. I think there is. On Palestine and Israel, I doubt it. Given the U.S. Congress, given the continued strength of the Israel lobby, I don't think this administration, it's clear, like all administrations before, is going to stand up on that. I think with regard to relations with Muslim countries like Pakistan or Indonesia, particularly outside the Arab world, I think there can be hope. But even there have to be more signs of that hope.
Is there a hope for Muslims in this country now?
Oh, I think if you look at most polls, Muslims will say, whatever the problems are, majorities of Muslims believe that this is still the country where they want to be, and majorities of Muslims know that how many countries in the Muslim world would the majority of Muslims still have the opportunities and freedoms? Muslims are economically and educationally integrated and increasingly politically integrated in the United States. Even though they have problems, they are integrated. The freedoms that they enjoy here, even with the problems that we're having, okay, the freedoms that they enjoy here, they would not find in most countries in the Muslim world.
Thank you, Professor. अभी हमने प्रोफेसर एस्पोजिटो से गुफ्तगू की। उनका कहना है कि गरचे अमेरिका में मुसलमानों के लिए हालात साजगार नहीं हैं, लेकिन अब भी सूरत हाल वहाँ नहीं पहुँची कि मुसलमानों को अमेरिका छोड़ने की फ़िक्र लाहक हो जाए। अनवर इकबाल, डॉन न्यूज़, वाशिंगटन।